Sinta. In this video, I will discuss about one topic related to nursing. Because there are so many topics in nursing, I will choose to discuss about mental health nursing. So, what is mental health nursing? Psychiatric nursing or mental health nursing is a destination nursing position that specializes in mental health and cares for people all of age who experience mental illness or distress. These include neurodevelopmental disorder, schizophrenia, psychoaffective disorder, anxiety disorder, and personality disorder. Mental health nurse receive specialist training in psychological therapy, building a therapeutic lens, dealing with a challenging behavior, and administering psychiatric treatment. Here, I will explain in more detail about mental stress. Number one is neurodevelopmental disorder. Neurodevelopmental disorder are a group of conditions that begin to appear in childhood. This condition generally appears in early childhood, usually before the child starts school and can persist into adulthood. The main characteristic of all these disorders is that they negatively impact a person functioning in one or more areas of life: personal, social, academic, and work. Depending on the disorder and the physique they cause, all of these disorders and their level of impairment exist on a spectrum, and affected individuals may experience varying degrees of symptoms and deficits, despite having the same diagnosis. This is influenced by genetic programming and prenatal environment. Any significant deviation from the normal developmental trajectory early in life may result in loss or abnormality of neural architecture or connectivity. Number two is schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is a mental disorder characterized by recurrent episodes of psychosis correlated with generalized misperception of reality. Other common things include hallucination, delusion, disorganized thinking and behavior, social withdrawal, and thought or inappropriate affect. Symptoms develop gradually and usually begin to young adulthood and ever reverse. There is no objective diagnosis test. Diagnosis is based on observed behavior, a psychiatric history, and includes reports of the person's experience and reports of others who know the person. Many people with schizophrenia have other mental disorders. The cause of schizophrenia is unknown, and a number of models have been proposed to explain the relationship between changes in brain functioning and schizophrenia. Number three is psychoaffective disorder. Psychoaffective disorder is a mental disorder characterized by abnormal thought processes and unstable mood. This diagnosis requires symptoms of schizophrenia and a mood disorder, bipolar disorder, or depression. The main criterion is the presence of psychotic symptoms for at least 2 weeks without any mood symptoms. Psychoaffective disorder is often misdiagnosed when the correct diagnosis may be psychotic depression, bipolar I disorder, or schizophrenia. This is a problem because treatment and prognosis differ greatly for most of these diagnoses. Many people with psychoaffective disorder have other mental disorders include anxiety disorder. Biological and environmental factors interact with a person's genes to increase or decrease the risk of developing the psychoaffective disorder. Exactly how this occurs is not yet known. The psychology of people diagnosed with psychoaffective disorder appears to be similar but not identical to that of people diagnosed with schizophrenia and bipolar disorder. Number 4 is anxiety disorder. Anxiety disorder are a group of mental disorders characterized by significant and uncountable feelings of anxiety and fear so that person social, occupational, and personal functioning is significantly impaired. Anxiety can cause physical and cognitive symptoms, such as restlessness, irritability, fatigue, difficulty concentrating, irregular heart rate, chest pain, stomach ache, and various other symptoms that may vary in each individual. Anxiety disorder are the most common type of mental disorder. This disorder affects nearly 13% of adults at some point in their lives, and estimated 4% of the global population currently experience an anxiety disorder. However, anxiety disorders are treatable, and a number of effective treatments are available. Most people can live normal, productive lives with some from treatment. Number 5 is personality disorder. Personality disorder are a class of mental disorder characterized by enduring maladaptive patterns of behavior, cognitive, and inner experience, which are seen in many contexts and deviate from those accepted by the individual culture. These patterns develop early, are inflexible, and are associated with significant stress or disability. This definition varies by scholars and remains controversial. Currently, there is no definitive proof of the cause of personality disorder. However, there are many now possible causes and risk factors supported by scientific research and vary depending on the disorder individual and circumstances. Overall, the findings suggest and genetic predisposition in life experience, such as trauma and abuse, play an important role in development of personality disorder. That's all I can say about mental health nursing. See you again.